everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I get to share a project that I worked on, and I collaborated with Blueprint, which is this awesome website, to create a 3-episode series called Kitchen Invasion. Each video includes a bunch of different recipes that come together to create the ultimate menu, and it also comes with step-by-step instructions, some pre-made shopping lists, as well as a few shortcuts, so no matter what level of cooking you're at, you're gonna be able to make this menu, and you're gonna have a blast. To be honest, this was one of the most fun projects I've ever got to work on thanks to Blueprint. For those of you who don't know what Blueprint is, it's this awesome sort of how-to website. So a bunch of different makers, just like me, share videos so that they can teach you their craft. So whether that be knitting, cooking, singing, dancing, they have it on there. My favorite part about this entire process was hands down the crew. Like, I've never worked with a crew that was this fun before. The entire time I was laughing, the atmosphere and the energy on set was just phenomenal, and it made it so much fun.
Congratulations. You got a little something. I know, it's so good.
If you guys want to see the full Kitchen Invasion trailer, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video, and if you guys want to see the 3 full episodes, head to myblueprint.com and create a free trial. All right, on to the trailer. Hey guys, it's time for you to decide what's for dinner by taking over the kitchen for a night. That's how I got started cooking, and I think it's such a fun way to be independent and blow your family away with your amazing creations. My name is Kelley, and I have been in love with creating fresh, fun, nutritious food for as long as I can remember. Through my love of cooking, I've wound up in all kinds of places, meeting all kinds of amazing people, and I want to share everything with you guys. Even if you have never cooked before, these tasty meals are a great way to start out and get confident in the kitchen. I'll show you what ingredients to shop for and how to prep and cook them efficiently, and safely, of course. And I'll even show you how to plate and present a meal beautifully that will totally wow your friends and family. All the recipes and resources come with the class, so print those out, get in the kitchen, and let's have a blast.